Today we are at 2505 Westminster Drive, Winterville, North Carolina, Manchester subdivision. Nice, quiet, family-oriented subdivision. Just outside of Winterville. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, double car garage. Nice property. Let's check it out. Here we are. Come into the foyers, hardwood floors in the dining room. Flows into the kitchen and the breakfast nook area. All have nice tile floors, granite countertops. Stainless steel appliances, nice fridge, pantry storage, tile backsplash, kitchen sink, garbage disposal overlooking the living room. As you can see here, let's check out the backyard while we're down here. Steps down to a patio. Do have a small fireplace. Completely privacy fenced backyard. Private out back. No back door neighbors. It's not the worst thing in the world. It's the front door we came in. We have a half bathroom just off the living room. Storage closet. Laundry room also has tile floors. Plenty of cabinets, wash and dryer hookups. It is wired for an ADT alarm system. It does have a two-car garage. Side entry door. Comes directly into the laundry area. Master bedroom is the only bedroom and bathroom that's full bathroom that's downstairs. It's quite large. I'd say a 13 by 15 would be an approximation. 2-inch plantation blinds throughout. Master bathroom has cultural marble countertops, jacuzzi tub, stand-up shower, private closet, and then the master bedroom closet. Nice walk-in. Nice walk-in closet. Venture upstairs, check out the rest of the house, the other bedrooms and bathrooms. There's a bonus room up here as well. Could be used as a 4th bedroom. It does have its own separate heating and air system up here. We have a nice linen closet. Big, actually. This is the bonus room area. There's no doorway. Be a great area for an entertainment center, game room, kids' workroom, study room, something along those lines. Guest bedroom number 1 is actually very spacious. Nice big closet. Big bedroom. it kind of has the bonus area off to itself a little bit, so could be a nice situation. The other bedroom, again, large. Say, probably close to 20 feet by 12 feet, 12 by 20. Walk-in closet. And then the bathroom that they both share. Shower tub combo. We have the loft area overlooking the living room and kitchen. Pretty cool place.
Renting from Flagship Property Management is easy and has so many advantages. You can pay your rent and make maintenance requests online. There's a 24-hour emergency maintenance hotline, and we have ethical and professional office staff along with so much more. If you like the property that you saw, schedule a viewing online at flagshiprentalproperty.com, or as always, give us a call at 252-364-4944.